So, have you ever had the hiccups so bad? Like, it's like hiccups and acid reflux at the same time. Like, why would my body do that to me? So you're hiccuping for one, it's coming up, and then acid reflux burns right here. So it's like a hiccup burn. I've been hiccuping now for the past like 3 hours. I've tried holding my breath. I've tried drinking water upside down. Pretty much tried everything in the book. So pretty much, uh, I'm pretty just like stuck with these hiccups. So if anybody can give me anybody can give me any advice on what to do to get rid of these hiccups. See, one hadn't came in a while. That's actually a good sign. Maybe I should just keep talking. If I keep talking, maybe it'll go away. 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 I think I got rid of them. No way. Awesome. YouTube, you just did that. I appreciate it. No way. They literally just went away. Look at that.